Governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Chomo Oti, OFR. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Abia State, Engineer Ike Chukwuemeka, Fellow, Nigerian Society of Engineers, the Deputy Governor of Abia State. Right Honorable Emmanuel Emerowa, the speaking speaker. I also want to use the Secretary to the State Government, Professor Kenneth Carlo, and the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Dr. Caleb Ajaba, to reach out to all other appointees of the government here present. I want to use His Royal Highness, Eze Emmanuel Ntomba, to reach the traditional institution and to bid you welcome. I also want to use Reverend Ojo, Chairman, Christian Association of Nigeria, Abia State Branch, to reach to the clergy. What we have witnessed today is not just the commissioning of roads. It is the birth pangs of a new Aba. If you look at the roads that were all commissioned, they were intentionally sited in the same area. Technically, it's called urban renewal. When you do things like that, the outcome is usually more than the sum of the parts. So it's not about the roads. It's about improving the city of Aba. For example, Ezekiel Road connects New Vatin, Market Road, Ehi Road, Cameroon Road, Tenant Road, School Road, and Clifford Road. So properties along that line have suddenly taken on a new value. And it's now possible for you to evacuate goods and services from a Ezekiel market using several channels. So there will no longer be traffic around that place, and there will no longer be flooding. And properties there would increase in value. That is urban renewal, not the construction of roads. It is exactly the same thing that happened in the Umuode Axis. The following roads were done: Umuode, Isihotokwa, Enyimba Gate, and Umuehilegu Bakasi Road. All these roads connect to the express road and will help improve the goods and services that are currently being sold in our area. So His Excellency's focus in doing these roads and in making selections of roads to be done is driven more by improving the quality of life of the people than just doing roads. And that is where previous governments have not done well. I also want to express my gratitude to His Excellency because in a lot of these roads that were done, it took his own leadership and his vision to realize them. For example, in Umode Road that connects Ukumangoro with the express road, half of the road had to be done with rigid pavement or concrete, just so that the road can last and the flood in Ifo-Obara does not affect the longevity of the road. Ordinarily, nobody would do that if not for a man of vision. So I want to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency for his vision and for his leadership. I also would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Commissioner for Works for his advice, collaboration, and support throughout this process. I would also like to express my gratitude to the Public Works Department in Gada and all other members of the Gada team that helped throughout this process. I would also like to say a big thank you to Ferrotex Construction Company for repeatedly having to come back to make sure we get the exact specifications of this road. Your Excellency, I would like to thank you for the opportunity to serve the people of Ababa, providing them the infrastructure they need to help and assist their business. Thank you very much, and God bless you for coming.
His Excellency, let's go.
The pavement beside our school fence was the only usable part. But today, no one remembers that pavement again. We have all joyfully jumped into a main road and are enjoying its beauty and goodness. In your usual down-to-earth disposition, you never forgot to construct speed breakers in order to safeguard our lives. from the excesses of overexcited road users who never imagined what they see now possible in their lifespan. Today, our nursery and primary pupils and secondary students walk safely to and from school. The big lake that largely colonized the beginning of the road at Umbarok end has become an expressway we can fly with our eyes closed. What better way can we experience good governance?
I don't know.
Your Excellency, words expressed here cannot fully and completely portray you and your works in their full perspective. However, the little we have managed to utter here should serve as a testament to your unrivaled and never seen before governmental revolution in our dear state. The impunity of the past, the lackadaisical approach to governance that characterized the old Abia, the lines of no attitude that marked the old Abia, have all been replaced by focus, determination, and the dauntless mastication of our hosts. In ecstasy, we can joyfully sing, Enina Ghana Isodinazu! Enina Ghana Isodinazu!